In Rudyard Kipling's poem, The Ballad of East and West, the opening line says, "Oh, east is east, and west is west, and never the twain shall meet." This poem reminds me of a boiler. I know, everything reminds me of a boiler. Each boiler has a fire side and a water side, and they should never meet. One of the first things I do when going in a boiler room is to look at the boiler jacket. This can tell you a lot about how the boiler is operating. What do I look for? I'm glad you asked. Greetings and welcome to Boiler Room Detective. I'm your host, Ray Wolfhard. The first thing I look for is rust under the draft diverter. If I see an excess amount, it tells me something inside the boiler or flue pipe is rusting. Rust is formed by the flue gases condensing and creating an acidic condition which erodes metal surfaces. Think of it like peeling an orange. The acid will peel away the metal surfaces until a leak is formed. The leak could be water or flue gases. This could happen if the boiler is underfiring, so check the firing rate and verify it's at the manufacturer's set point. The next step is to check the boiler water temperature. If the boiler is operating below 140 degrees, the flue gases can condense and peel away the metal. Check the boiler draft. If the chimney has downdrafts, it could cause this. Verify no exhaust fan is pulling the flue gases from the flue pipe. It only takes 3/100ths of an inch of water, column negative, to pull the flue gases from an atmospheric burner. Look for rust holes on the side of the cast iron sectional boiler jacket. The flue gases could be leaking from between the sections, which is unsafe because it means dangerous flue gases, including carbon monoxide, could be leaking out of the boiler. Discoloration on the boiler jacket shows flue gases are not going the way the manufacturer intended. Something caused the flue gases to change paths and overheat the boiler jacket. It also tells you the flue gases are leaking out of the boiler and into the boiler room or basement. I would look for blockages on the fire side of the boiler. The typical causes of flue gas blockages are water temperatures too low, underfired boilers, or a leak. The last thing I look for is soot around the boiler jacket seams. Soot is very dangerous and is extremely flammable. It's caused by incomplete combustion. In other words, not enough air. Verify the combustion air openings are free and clear and not blocked. Check the boiler firing rate to see if it's overfiring. Are the flue gas passages blocked or restricted? Is there a leak inside the boiler? Carbon monoxide is like a stubborn old mule. It doesn't like change. When something causes a change in the boiler firing, carbon monoxide quickly forms. It's like a protest. If you watch the fuel-to-air ratio when the burner changes from low to high fire or back, you'll see elevated carbon monoxide levels for a moment before they settle down. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more expert advice and tips. Thanks for watching. My boiler books are available on Amazon, and my technical articles are also included in these industry publications. Thanks for stopping by Boiler Room Detective, and I'll see you on the next case.